What to do if the spring roller shade has too strong tension? The solution is to remove spring wires inside the side tracks. Here is a full tutorial for removing two symmetric spring wires. First, pull down the spring roller shade to a convenient working position. Take a flat screwdriver and pry gently outward from the bottom of one side track. Pry open the side track cover and take out the rubber strip inside. Operate the other track with the same method. Slowly pry the cover from the bottom of the track, then pull out the front track shell from bottom to top. Take out the rubber strip from this track. Align the top ends and bottom ends of the two rubber strips neatly together. After alignment, remove two pairs of matching spring wires to reduce shade tension. Then thread the rubber strips back into both side tracks one by one. Thread the rubber strip through the shade fabric and lock the spring wires in place. Snap on the front track shell, then tap the shell gently with a rubber mallet to fully fit it. Fit all spring wires neatly into the grooves of the side track. Repeat the same operation steps on the other side track. First, thread the rubber strip into the shade fabric and close the front track shell. Fit all spring wires neatly into the grooves of the side track. And the whole work is finished.